Hey everybody, it's Charmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another full get ready with me, so we are going to jump right into it. I'm going with like the slime green theme today. So yeah, I have on this t-shirt now. This is not a part of my outfit, but I put it on so I can see how the colors are picking up when I do my eyeshadow. All right, so I have attempted to do a similar look several times and it's always kind of been a fail. We have two like lime green eyeshadows. So I have this color here, and this is from the Try palette from Juvia's Place. And then when I was at Target the other day, I picked up this other palette. I don't know who this brand is, Color Story, and it's their Tropical Glow palette. And then I seen that they had like this lime green. So before, the first time I tried it with the lime green from the Juvia's Place. I don't know, it was always super patchy. And I tried it with multiple primers. Like I used concealer to prime my eyes, I used an actual primer, eyeshadow primer, and it just always came out really patchy. So yeah, I don't know how this is gonna work today. But I'm gonna start using my NYX Jumbo Pen in Milk White because I want this to be super vibrant. Alright, so I'm not going to set that. I usually set my eyeshadow primers, but I'm not going to set it because I want to make sure that the eyeshadow sticks. I want to keep this pretty simple. I basically just want like a blown out like green lid. But first I'm going to go into the Try palette, and I'm going to go into this orange color here, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. So when I was in Target, I was looking for like, trying to see if I could find like a lime green eyeshadow base, but I couldn't find anything, and both my Ulta and Sephora are still closed, and I didn't have time to order nothing, or I didn't feel like ordering nothing. So I found this yellow eyeliner pencil at Target. It's from LA Girl, the Shockwave Neon Liner. So I'm gonna apply that over the white first. This is in the yellow. It's called Screaming. It's a yellow color, but I did a little tester on my finger, or not my finger, but on my hand, and it picked up the green pretty good. So I'm gonna go into that Color Story Tropical Glow palette and I'm gonna use the color Guava, and I'm gonna pack that all over that yellow liner. It's very important to pack and not like blend, because if you blend, you are not going to pick up as much color, or it's going to blend out the color. Alright, so I'm going to go in with another brown color. I'm going to go into my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I'm going to mix Puree and Summer Yum Yum. I use these two colors all the time, and I'm going to blend that into my crease. They have like pink undertones, but I don't want it to be too deep, and I want it to kind of nicely blend, or gradually blend into that orange color I use as my transition. So now I'm going to go back into the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use this color here. And it's basically like a shimmer. And I'm gonna apply that into my crease and blend it into the green. Definitely has like green notes to it. So it's a little too green for me. So I'm gonna go into that color next to it, which is a little more like, has more golden notes. I'm gonna apply that over it to tone it down a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna add a slight wing liner. I'm gonna pop on my lashes, and then I'm gonna run through the rest of my face. I'm gonna start by priming my face with my Becca Evermatte poreless primer. I'm gonna use my Benefit brightening concealer under my eye per usual. So I'm gonna be using light face products today. So I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I have not used this in a minute. I'm using this ColourPop Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. And this is in the color Medium Dark 120. This is a little light, but once I blend it out, it'll be fine. This concealer is very lightweight, and then when you blend it out with a sponge, it definitely shears out. So if you like more of a full coverage, probably won't like this. And then I'm setting it with my Fenty Beauty. To set the rest of my face, I'm using my Cover FX pressed powder. And I'm not gonna contour or bronze or anything. I'm just gonna use blush. I'm not gonna use any highlighter either. I'm just gonna use this Spice Rose blush from Milani, and I don't know if it's picking up, but it does have like a metallic-y undertone, so it kind of doubles as a blush and highlight. And that's pretty much it for my face. I'm gonna add some bottom mascara and set everything. We're gonna do the lips and then go on to hair. So for lips, I'm gonna line my lips with the dark brown liner. Then I'm gonna use this NYX Butter Gloss in Praline. It's one of my favorites. You guys have seen this color plenty of times. A great nude for brown skin. And then on top of that, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. lip lacquer in the color Love Bite. And it's just like a dark brown glittery gloss. Alright, so I'm a little nervous about my hair. So yesterday I spontaneously colored my hair and then I did a silk press. But before the day was over, my hair has started to revert. And you guys can see like it's super frizzy. I did film it, so I'll have a separate video about my hair. I don't know if it'll be up before this video or not. But yeah. So I didn't want to have to put heat on it again today, so I ended up putting flexi rods in it last night. I don't really know how this is going to turn out. My hair is clearly textured now, so we shall see. Ouch. If all else fails, I will put it in a ponytail or bring it up in like a puff or something. I definitely look like somebody's grandma. I'm gonna take some oil and lightly mist it. And then I'm gonna just separate the curls. Taking some of my Edge Booster, my Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control. Trying to figure out how I want to style this. I was thinking about doing a puff, but I think I might just do like half up, half down or something. I feel like a little girl. And yeah, I was not feeling this half up, half down look. I felt like a little girl. It's so funny. Someone left me a comment on another video with my natural hair, and they were saying how they feel so childish with their natural hair. And I feel the same way too. Like, I have yet to find a hairstyle with my natural hair that I like, really, really like, that I feel like my age. So yeah, whenever I always struggle with natural hairstyles. But yeah, so I tried to put it up in a puff, but I couldn't find my good headband, so I was trying it with this white one. That did not work. I tried to use like another little scarf thing, which you'll guys see in a second. That didn't work either. And then eventually I gave up, and I'm gonna slick my hair back in a ponytail. So yeah, I know like for sure my hair always looks good slicked back in a ponytail or slicked up in a top knot. So whenever I struggle with my natural hair, those are like my go-to looks, because you know, I feel like they're very sleek. They can pull any outfit together, and it just always makes you look really polished. So here I am with my little ponytail, and yeah, that is it for the hair, you guys. Now on to the outfit. We can start with accessories. I have on these beautiful like wickered earrings from Misguided. I actually purchased these last year, but they are beautiful statement earrings. And then I have it paired with this lime green backless shirt, which is from Shein.com. And then I paired it with these like mom style jeans, which I purchased at Target. My bag is also from Shein, and then I paired it with these clear chunky pumps from Fashion Nova, and they have like the colorful snake print sole. And that is it for this outfit. It's very simple, but I think that the backless top makes it look extra like sexy, but like that subtle sexiness. And yeah, just a really cute, fun summer outfit. And that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snatched by Charmel, and I will see you beautiful people in the next video. Bye.